Love this. Man. This bitch. I got it. It didn't go in though. It's not gonna slide in because it has to be in the mag. Woo!
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just sleep. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
Today's video, we're gonna go ride my quad around, go to try to make it to a cinder pit and do some shooting, just because it's 4th of July, so that's what I'm gonna do today. Well, that was worth $2. These are so weak. So I just flew really far. I have to go to the store and get some gas and some spark plugs because I was riding my quad the other day and it was cutting out. So I don't want to get stranded in the middle of nowhere. So that's my plan. So here we go. Woo! Got the new Sparkies. All right, so we're gonna be using the chest mount today. Let's see, I haven't tried it with riding my quad, but that is what we're gonna use today. Yeah. That should be fine. Let's take this off. have no idea where I am. Oh yeah, I definitely passed it. So, kind of lost, but not really. I have the highway. The highway's right there. I went way past where I was supposed to go. So, I'm using the highway as a reference point. I found this trail, so I'm just gonna follow the trail back, and it should intersect with the place I'm trying to go. So, I'm just letting my bike cool down a little bit because it was overheating a little bit, so. All right. Let's go. Cool, just went and checked and clarified with them. They're totally cool with me putting off some rounds over here. That's gonna wrap up that. Just went through about 50 rounds. So now, well, I just got back. I got lost and went way too far. And then I had to follow the highway back and then found the cinder pit. So I know where it's at now for next time. That's good. Pretty much doubled my trip. Probably tripled it, honestly, because of how far I went. Yeah, I'm gonna, if I can thumb gun this, I'm gonna shotgun it. If I can't, this is the end of the video. So, thanks for watching. I can never thumb gun, so. Come on! I can never fucking thumb gun. Let's try left hand. Oh, left-handed fucking works, obviously. Thanks for watching.